Sometimes the simplest solutions are also the most effective ones, and that's especially true when it comes to keeping the air inside your home clean. While there are lots of complex devices and systems being created every day to do this job, you may already have one of the most effective ones right here in your home. The houseplant. How easy is that? If you paid attention in science class back in middle school, you already know that plants convert carbon dioxide into oxygen through photosynthesis. That's a plus since we all breathe oxygen, but what you might not know is that many houseplants also filter out harmful chemicals from the air. Houseplants are great at this because most are tropical species that have adapted to survive in low light areas. That makes them very efficient at capturing light and processing the gases they need for photosynthesis. So they tend to absorb more gases, including the harmful ones. Things like benzene and formaldehyde are sometimes given off by building products and home furnishings over time. Today's greener products may reduce the use of such chemicals, but unless you're building a new home or gutting the one you have, that's only a small help. Several of these guys may just be the answer. Philodendrons like this one, or even a spider plant, English ivy, or bamboo palms, these are just a few of the varieties that can do the best job at filtering the air. 2 or 3 of these in the average size living room will make a big difference, not only for the decor, but in the quality of the air you breathe.